And races on Lake Cain, Manila, Prince Carlo Gondor rushing up Angel Sky. In the middle portion is Doña Erica by Daryl Kiss Me. Also there is Doomstead rushing up Maximum Exposure. Mr. Kawaiso alongside. Then comes Stout-Hearted, Prince Carlo, Royal Heiress, and three number to this one getting personal. Hard Power Smarty Pants is running at the tail of the field. Maximum Exposure Gondor, and running in between runner Doomstead, Danori inside Lake Cain, Manila. Mr. Kawaiso rushing up by the Kiss Me, Doña Erica, Angel Sky, and all the outside. Stout-Hearted, Royal Reyes racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with Doomstead, Royal Heiress in the middle, Doña Erica on the further outside, Mr. Kawaiso Kiss Me. But now we have Royal Heiress over Doomstead, and nearing the finish line, number 4, Royal Heiress, Doomstead, and finally Royal Heiress, Doomstead, Doña Erica close, Mr. Kawaiso, Lake Manila, Prince Carlo. Then